Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change snooze timing in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to alarm in your phone and go to the particular alarm in your phone. Here, this is the alarm I would like to use. Okay. This alarm, okay, and then here click on snooze option and select the snooze timing. Here by default 5 minutes and 3 times will be used. If you would like to increase snooze timing, click on 10 minutes up to 15, then 30 minutes. Then you can also set custom minute. Click on custom and select the here select minutes. I got selected 17 minutes, so only after 17 minutes alarm will be repeated again. Okay, then how much times? 3 times. By default 3 times will be available. If you want to increase 5 times, so 5 times you can snooze. Okay, if you don't want any don't want timing snoozing, if you want unlimited snoozing, click on forever, and if you are sleeping you can do every 17 minutes snooze until the day goes off. Oh wow, what a sleeping if you do forever snooze. Okay, don't do it, just wake up within 3 or 4 snooze. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.